Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka number 12. Whatever beings and objects that are pure, active, and inert, know them to proceed from me, yet I am not in them, they are in me.
Chapter 7, Shloka 12. ये चैव सात्विका भावाः राजसास्तामसाश्च ये मत्त ये वेदितान् विद्धि न त्वहं तेषु ते मयि.
Chapter 7, Shloka 12. Can the limited limit the unlimited? Has the spirit been captured by matter as it appears from the examples? In this shloka, Lord indicates the relationship between matter and spirit. Maya expresses itself as the three impulses. The thoughts of an individual depend upon the predominant impulse or mood prevailing and govern the instruments of feeling, thinking, and action to play their part. The three moods which influence the subtle body are unactivity, activity, and inactivity, or sattva, rajas, and tamas respectively. These gunas rise from the truth, so all the temperaments rise from the self. The lower nature, matter, is apparently an experience upon the infinite consciousness, the spirit. Just like the waves rise from the ocean or the mud pots from the mud and all ornaments from gold, Lord says that I am not in them, but they are in me. This statement is puzzling. If A is not in B, then the latter cannot be in the former. It is puzzling because the relationship between spirit and matter is not in terms of cause and effect, but it is only a superimposition of matter on spirit. The classic example can clear this. Addressing the deluded, the post can only explain that the ghost of the deluded person's vision has risen from me alone, as much as I alone lend it existence. But I, the post, am not in the ghost. So too, the ocean can say that the waves rise, stay, and dissolve away in me. But I am not in the waves. Even though matter depends entirely for its existence on the conscious principle, yet the divine spirit is no way under the effect of matter. Matter exists because of the spirit, but the spirit is not affected by the imperfect matter. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.